Good morning, good morning. Oh god, this lens is so dirty. Good morning, good morning. So, today we are in... It's really stripping off. In Clitheroe. So we're going to be doing, potentially, the hilliest... Watch his face. The hilliest 200k ride. I think possibly that there is, especially in the north anyway. So, I'll not spoil the surprise of telling you how many metres. I don't want to ruin it for you as well. The surprise of how many metres we're going to be riding. It's going to be a lot. A lot. So we're going to be heading up.
I'm panicking.
So we're heading up. This is Darren, by the way. A couple of the climbs. Parkrash, which is a brute, and Cole Road. So if you know either of them, they're in the top 100 climbs. It'll be fine. Come on, let's go. Got a bit of a gravelly climb. The faffing begins. Start as we mean to go on. We've done 15. I've probably done a few K.
7.
Gone down to 15%. What do you reckon that will?
What now?
Was it 15? What are we thinking of the Dales?
It's up there. It's definitely up there.
I was saying it's my favourite. I think it's my favourite place of the peaks or the lakes.
Like a big wide peak district.
It is, with much steeper climbs.
And not as busy.
That's why I love it.
Good thing to keep it secret.
Oh my god, I love it. Look at the hills. Oh.
Jacket.
It's not.
It is. I'm trying to be all in.
I am all hip, baby.
You ain't no fucking hip at all, girl.
He hates that jacket. I love that wind jacket. He's always like, oh no, it's horrible. I love it. Anyway, we've just stopped for a little tinkle, and now you can't really see it. Parkrash is behind that somewhere. If you don't know what Parkrash is, I think it hits 30%. It is steep.
Fueling up, baby.
Let's have what you got.
Banana sandwich with honey.
Ooh.
Looks a bit mushed.
Oh, look what Darren bought for me. 35p, well spent, he said. How about it?
Because you're worth it.
Because I'm worth it, baby. Favourite sweets ever. You know what they like.
I love hearts. Get a bit of that.
Are you like an 8-year-old girl eating love hearts? Go on, keep faffing then.
Shit luggage.
You're faffing again with that.
Do you think Rafa will take sympathy with me?
Doesn't look as bad as I remember it, to be honest. On that little seat, but it's bad though. Just take it steady. You what?
We've ridden up once and we've got to go back down.
So we've ridden only the steep bit, we've not done all the segment yet. But I was like, can we stop and get a picture? I didn't do an effort up it. I am gonna come back and do like the hill climb with the data and stuff. I just need someone fitter that's in front of me, Toonie.
This is like the behind the scenes with Katie Kookaburra. How you feeling?
I think twice is enough up that steep bit. I've done the pictures and they're saying this is still 17% and this feels flat. I don't feel flat, but...
How good is that?
Good, do you like it?
Really good.
Climb, innit?
2 minutes.
Hey?
I need 2 minutes.
I think I need 5.
Oh, do a L'Oreal shake.
I ain't got the energy. No. I ain't got the energy.
Because you're worth it.
Sweaty Audax mess. The reason I like it is because it is so hard. Like, how many other climbs are there that really push you like that?
You've got only another 4 to do.
Yeah, there's 4 others.
Yeah.
Do 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 do.
This ain't YouTube. Off.
Just trod in a massive. Look at the state of that. The other ones, I think the other one's steeper. Because last time I did this one, but I didn't do Cole Road, I had to get off.
Stunning.
Welcome to the Dales. Welcome to Dales, mate. This is where it's at. This is why I love it. Look at this. Honestly, I get so like giddy, especially in the Dales, especially on a nice weather day. Bloody hell, you're cracking into sweets again.
John.
No, I'm alright, thanks. But honestly, Dales, follow my route on Strava, get it, steal it. I mean, I've taken it from the Audax website, so it's not my own, but it's just a top route. You are a convert to the Dales.
I'm a convert, 100%.
Woo, woo, woo!
Stunning place, beautiful. Top tip, if you follow Katie's route, don't do Portrush twice.
I am going to do a video with this. I keep showing it you. I did put it on my Instagram. It can get a bit messy. In fact, have I got berries on my face? Oh well. I'm not sponsored by these, but these are the best electrolytes of your titties. I've got a little bit sleepy, so I'm just going to have a little, like literally a 5-minute lie down. But we've just entered the village of Nappa, so I'm going to have a little nap in Nappa. I don't know why that tickled me so much. Literally 5 minutes. Only about 100Km, but you have no idea how good that feels to stop 5 minutes. What
It's still recording.
Is it? Whatever. On there.
Oh, that's nasty, man.
Oh, this is so nice. I feel like I'm on holiday. A little Audax holiday. I love that you're getting into this vlogging stuff.
Well, somebody's got to do it. You're having a bloody chill. I can smell your shoes.
Can you? It's probably your arse. Summer chill out mix. Just comparing tan lines, and I was like, boom! What? Look how white that is! Jesus!
The backstory, she's getting a stick to get the crap out of the shoes.
Snap the stick. I need to rinse my eyes, I've got hay fever in them.
Right.
God, that's it. Ow.
To that side.
The sun's right there. Jesus Christ, give me some warning. Shit.
I thought we had that nap.
We don't even know what climb this was, but we've just ended up here and it was, I mean, that view is good now, but climbing up it was steep and long. So we're getting some music on. Bit of Oasis. Favourite music. Favourite band. How many more big climbs we've got? 3? 2 or 3 big ones?
I think it's 3.
But anyway, I know one of them is Cole Road, and the last time I did this similar route, we'd done Part Rash and I was just too spent to get up Cole Road and I had to push it up. So today I'm like, get up there. Cole Road is next. I did it alright, didn't I? Didn't I, Toonie? That was like bigger than Part Rash for me today, just to get that done.
At the end as well.
I did do a little bit of a sprint.
First time I've walked on a hill for 10 years.
I mean, it was steep.
That was badass.
It was steep as. I want to give you a little bit of encouragement if you get off and walk on a hill or cry on a ride. I've done this particular route, very similar to this route, on these climbs. On that Cole Road that I was so excited about that I got up, I pushed that, and then on this particular climb, I bawled my eyes out because I'd had enough, and I was like, this is too many hills, it's too steep, I can't do it. And then today, I have been able to ride it. I'm proud. I am really proud of myself. I don't want you to ever think that I can. Maybe you don't think that, but I don't want it to come across that like I'm just doing all these climbs and I've never like struggled. Well, you know, I've struggled. I've cried on YouTube many a time. But just to give you a bit of encouragement, all you need to do is just keep practicing, and I just feel so much fitter, and I'm able to do it and not cry on it anymore. So yeah, I think you were close to tears.
Tears already.
No, you've been caning me all day.
I'm a wreck under it.
No, you're not. You've been caning me all day, mate.
Mine's better, far better.
Yeah, but but don't you think? Look how pretty that looks. How there's just lining the road. Oh. Just got a little bit of rain, but luckily it was a bit chilly. I've got Darren's arm warmers and base layer on, so I'm nice and toasty. But it's not actually that bad, the rain, is it?
No, I'm just freezing.
Are you cold? Take him back! Probably can't see me, but we're getting to the top of the final climb. We've done 4,440 metres. It was a lot of climbing. So we've done the route. We're back in Clitheroe and we can't remember where we parked. Let's have a quick look on the map. Yeah, I think we need to go back up that way. So we managed to find the cars eventually. We're like, I think we parked this way. So yeah, total distance, what was it, 213? 215? Anyway, 215k, 4,500 metres climbing. I did actually go and round it up. I was about 40 metres, 50 metres short, and I was like, I'm just going to go up and do a couple of laps on this hill. But yeah, honestly, one of the best routes you can do. Like, the Dales is so good. So good. I don't think you'll find a hillier 200k. How you feeling, buddy?
Don't I know it? Don't I know it?
Nah, you were smashing it all
No,
the
it
way
was
back,
good.
mate.
It was a good route. I enjoyed that. Safe trip, I can't even speak now, I'm knackered. Yeah, have a safe trip, mate.
No, you're not, you're alright. Yeah, you chose the packet.
I'll have the eggplant one in a minute.
Who wants one of these?
PV's out. Come on.
Oh no, you just had a wee. Don't touch it with your willy
No,
hands. I'll pass them you.
Your